Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in 8-ball pool. If you want to customize your profile picture in 8-ball pool, then here is how you do it. First of all, open your 8-ball pool application on your device, whether it is an Android or iOS. Once you're inside the main screen, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now, tap on the little pencil icon right above your profile picture on the left-hand side, and you will get to see a list of avatars you can choose from. If you are connected with 8ball 2 via Facebook, then you can update your profile picture to sync automatically, whereas if you want to choose the in-game avatar, then you have several options to begin with. Tap on one of the avatars you'd like to use, but in order to change your avatar, you'll need to pay some coins that has been displayed right underneath the profile avatar you are gonna choose. Simply go ahead and choose one of the profile avatar, and after you do that, you will then be able to change your profile avatar right away. To use the profile avatar, you can tap on the use button, and then you have successfully changed your avatar in 8-ball pool profile. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for another tutorial like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.